Hey, what's up? So I built this backtesting spreadsheet that will track all of your trades that you place while doing backtesting sessions, and you'll be able to automatically calculate your position size as well as keep track of your profits and as well as do partials, which was definitely requested to have in there. So let me show you how to use this. First of all, it is available at that link down below. It takes you to all our links and you'll see it as the backtesting spreadsheet. So first things first, you're going to land on this page. You want to right click this and hit duplicate. And now you have a new sheet and you could do ES1 for like your backtesting session 1, whatever you want to name it, right? So we have the blank page here. That's where you're going to be duplicating. But let's say this is a new page right here. Now you could change the day, the pair. Now, if you need to update this and put the, like, if you're trading Euro USD or whatever the case is, you're going to want to click this pencil right here and just hit add another item. Let's do Euro USD and put it as, I don't know, this color, and then hit done. It's going to say, do you want to do it to the other drop down? Apply to all. Let me add that because it's not instances, it's just applied to all. So now Euro USD will be in all of these. Then you could close out of that. So you're going to go into trading view. You're going to load up your symbol on your chart, whatever symbol you want to trade. This is the E-mini 2023 ESU. So what I do is I scroll all the way out, make this small, and then I go back as far as data allows me to on the lowest time frame I'm going to be using. Then I'll go in my higher time frames, backtest, blah blah blah. Okay, go down. Basically, you're going to want to mimic your exact trading strategy. Say we get on a trade, stop loss is 5, take profit there, right? So now we come back into the sheet. We have our starting account balance of 50,000. We're going to be risking 1%, and my stop loss, what was it, 5.5. And since I'm trading the ES, it's $50 a point. If I was on the MES, it would be $5 a point, so I would update this. Whatever your point value is, it's not tick, it's point, is what you're going to put here so that way it calculates. So if I have a stop loss of 5.5 points, and I'm risking 1% of 50,000, I could have 2 contracts. So I could put 2 here, and it's going to say per take profit, it's $50, even though there's 2 contracts, make it $100 a point. How it works is, say this is take profit 1, so we have 5 points. So it's going to give me the 250 right there, right? And then let's say the let's say the second contract ran 10 points, and that will give us that total here, which updates this, which in return will help you start calculating your position size as your account grows or gets smaller. So let me just delete this because we don't have another one in there yet. And these colors will automatically update. And as you put in price, this chart will fill out and you'll have an actual visualization per day. That's why we're putting in the date here, how much your account balance was each day, and you can see that growth. And it also puts in a little trend line for projections to see if you're above trend or below trend on your projected profits. I put this time section in here. It doesn't really play into this, but for you it's to learn where most of your trade setups form, so you could see that time range where all your setups are forming and start to know, okay, I could wait and really wait for this time zone and just trade this time window because most of my setups form in this time window, and I want high probability chances that I'm going to win on my trades by trading this time session. So that's really it. You only change the green boxes here to have this position calculator spit out your contract size, and everything's automatically. You'll see your total gains percentage wise as well as profit. And the last thing I want to show you on this is just your notes section. So As you're back testing, you'll start to get in repetition, and say on most of your losing trades, this is happening, or you got in on a trade without this happening. You just take note of that here. So you have notes to reflect on from that trading session and say, okay, I really need for this to happen, or my bigger trades happened when I did this, or when I entered in here, and just take track of all that. And this is going to help you build yourself as a trader. So if you want to get your hands on this trading spreadsheet for your back testing, click the link down below and it'll take you to our stand store and go to that back testing sheet. Now this is our futures one. We're doing a Forex one because the calculations are a little bit different. So you'll get access to both of them though. So just make sure you're using the right one, whether you're doing futures or Forex. So I have the Forex sheet up. It's very similar. There's just a couple changes. So I want to go over them with you so you're aware. Now we're dealing with pips, not points. So you need to figure out what one standard lot size the pip value is. So $10, one lot on EU or GU. So I put 10 here because that's mainly what I'll be trading is EU. So you want to update that, make sure that is correct, so your position size comes out correctly. Now over here in the States, our max leverage is 50, so I put 50 there. I want to risk 1%, and I'm starting with $10,000. Then each trade, I'm going to input the stop loss size, and then it's going to spit out the position lot size that I'm going to enter in here. Now, again, it's going to divide it by 2 because you're having to take profit. So this is your partials, and this is going to be your full take profit. One thing I didn't mention in the futures thing is if you do take a loss, you need to put the same, like your stop loss is 15, you're going to put -15, -15. It's not saying that you're taking 30 pip stop loss. It's just because this is divided by 2, we have to take -15 for half the position and then -15 again for the other half of the position. So all the math will come out correct. It's just a way to do it so you could have partials and the main take profit. So again, you'll get access to the Forex and futures backtesting sheets. Link below. You'll see all the other resources, and hope you have a great day trading. Do some research, do your back testing, grow as a trader, and become that profitable trader that you desire.